Oh, friends, welcome to my channel. Welcome to the quest for answers. As you guys know, I make videos on this channel which are based on why, who, how, where. So basically, I look for the answers for the most answer questions you may have, and on a daily basis, and try to make videos. I don't make videos on a daily basis, but I try to make them as soon as possible. But today I'm going to talk to you about something very important. I am here in Canada, and as you know, the COVID-19, the coronavirus disease has been. This is the enemy of mankind, which is causing a huge problem in the whole world. There is no country who is safe from it. Today I'm going to make a short video because here in Canada, right now it's an extreme shortage of face masks. Forget the N95. You can't even find a simple mask when you go out for grocery or something to protect yourself. So I just wanted to share something which I know, a simple solution which can help you. May not protect you like a N95, but it will give you a good amount of protection. So I'm going to share that with you today, and let's get started. So for our simple solution, an alternative to the face mask, which are not available anymore here, at least in Toronto, Canada area, it's very difficult to find them. What I would do, I would take a handkerchief like this, and I will fold it like that right here, and just go over like this, and then I'm gonna fold it just like that, and I'll go over like that. Okay, so once this is folded, I'm just going to take a rubber band, and I'm going to put a rubber band just around that spot, which is our fold right here. Right here. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then I'm going to come back to my fold. I'm going to keep that rubber band. So very simple solution. It's going to keep, and I'm going to put this inside of this right here. And that's it. That's your simple mask. It has multiple folds to protect you from, if someone sneezes, it won't directly go in your nose or mouth. Okay, how I'm going to put it on, I'm just going to take like this, put it on here, and go like this. That's it. So if you're going out for groceries or for anything and you don't have a mask, you just created a simple mask solution, and that's exactly any mask would do, which is not N95, to protect you. It will give you pretty much the same protection. Okay, so please make sure when you go out, if you don't have a mask, you use some kind of solution like that. And friends, at this point I would like to add one thing. Now, going this way and like that, now if you notice, there's a lot of layers. There's two, that's another two, and that's another 2 or 3. So a lot of layers. So when you use this, some people may find it a little difficult to breathe with this. So now, if that's the case you're having, and you don't want that kind of protection, like double triple layers. What you can do is you're going to take the same way, but don't go all the way, just keep it right here. Just keep it right here. If you're having some trouble to keeping it right here, you can staple it here, but I wouldn't. Just same thing here, same thing here. And like this. Now if you notice, these layers are not there. These layers are not there, and this might make it a little easier to breathe while you have this on, as compared to with multiple layers covering. I mean, yes, you have extra protection that way, but like this way you will be easier to breathe, and you will be having the same kind of quality which you find the regular masks out at the store. Okay, so you can take that. I'm gonna go through like this, put it on your ear. If you staple it, it will not come out even, and it's still going to protect you like this, and a little better, a little easier to breathe. So something is better to have rather than having nothing. So again, if you find it difficult with all those layers, use it like this. Okay. All right. Thank you very much for watching today's video. See you next time.